Bot Framework is Microsoft's framework for building conversational AI bots. It consists of a few main components. 1. Bot Builder SDK. This is an open-source SDK to build bots using .NET, JavaScript, Python, Java, etc. It has a lot of built-in capabilities like natural language processing, state management, etc. to easily build bots. 2. Bot Connector. This is Microsoft's bot hosting service. You can publish your bot here to make it available on channels like Skype, Slack, Facebook Messenger, etc. The Bot Connector handles managing connections to these channels and routing messages between the channels and your bot. 3. Language Understanding. Luis. This is Microsoft's natural language processing service. It can be used to build language models that can understand natural language and extract relevant information from user messages to determine user intent and entities. 4. Q&A Maker. This is Microsoft's service to build FAQ bots by importing a list of questions and answers. It uses machine learning to match user questions to the closest answer. 5. Azure Bot Service. This is Microsoft's fully managed bot development and hosting platform running on Azure. It brings together the Bot Builder SDK, Bot Connector, Language Understanding, and Q&A Maker into an integrated experience to build and host high-quality bots. So in summary, the bot framework provides all the tools needed to build and host intelligent bots that can understand natural language, handle stateful conversations, connect to various channels, and provide a great user experience. Many top bots are built using the Microsoft bot framework like the Azure Bot, Bing Quiz Bot, Cortana Skills, etc. Does this help explain what the Microsoft bot framework is? Let me know if you have any other questions.